Okay guys, I got a 2011 Toyota Venza here. It's got a 2.7 in it. I'll show you this tranny change. Now, I think it only takes 2.7 quarts of oil as well, or transmission fluid. So you notice there's no dipstick, and that's because it's like a rear end, the way you're gonna fill it. Now underneath, when you drain it, it's gonna have a drain pan that has a plug, and you're gonna drain it before you pop the pan to pull the filter. So you can drain it right here with an Allen, and then you can pull out your bolts, drop it down, swap your filter, change the gasket, clean it up, change the gasket, put the pan back on. Now let's go to the side here. You have two bolts, so you need to pull this plastic cover right here. I hope you can see that. There it goes. So you're going to move these two bolts here, and here's your fill plug. You're just going to fill till it starts seeping out of that plug, which is about 2.5 to 3 quarts of transmission fluid. Once it starts seeping out of this plug, just put your bolt back in. Now I'm on the passenger side here, just got the tire turned. So make sure when you top this off that you're on level ground. Drop your jack, do your transpan first, change your fluid and filter, and then drop it to level ground and come right here. Disconnect these two 10mm bolts, and then pull that big plug right there. And it looks like a 22, maybe 21, 22mm. Pull that out, and just fill it in right there with a hose and a funnel until it starts seeping out. Once it starts seeping out, stop, you're full. And make sure you use WS oil as well. So I hope this works, or this video helps you guys out. Please click like, please click subscribe. Click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. And as always, guys, enjoy.